Hey, this is Lou, and I want to welcome you to our Viddle Interact demo. In this demo, you'll see that with Viddle Interact, you are able to host, to play, to market your videos, and do the same for your clients, and also get paid monthly by them if you so desire. So, of course, step one is to upload your video. Click here. You can upload it. There's 4 options here. You can upload from your computer. You can import a video from YouTube. You can do a screen recording. You can do a camera recording. And then, of course, there are stock video options available as well. Step 2 is when you customize your video. Uploading your video, you can drag and drop or select from disk. And as your video uploads, you'll see you'll have options to put in a custom thumbnail or take one of the suggestions that are added by Viddle Interact. You can then add your title, which it will take from the file name by default. You can set any kind of age restriction if you want. You can decide on your description of it. You can then decide, is it open access or only access by link, or is it closed access? What license do you have, standard or Creative Commons? What category do you want in? What tags do you want? You can also give permission to allow the original video to be downloaded. Now, of course, Viddle Interact shines with its Interact suite. And here are all the new features, all the new things. So first thing right off the bat, we see we have the ability to integrate it with our autoresponder. Of course, we can use Mailvio, Aweber, MailChimp, and GetResponse. You can use those right in the video itself and a call to action to draw people into your mailing list. We also have a payment integration. You can sell right within your video. Buy buttons right in your video. Add your PayPal account, add your Stripe account, and you are set to sell in your videos. So we click on our CTA, and we scroll down, and here are the buttons built in here in Commercial Edition. Click there. You can go into Take Action. Then you can change that text. You can say, buy now, sign up now, depending on what your call to action is. And then you can send them to the URL. And you can decide where in the video, how many seconds in do you want it, and how long do you want it to last. So when it starts at 10 seconds and ends at 17 seconds, you can change your text color, you can change your background color, and then you can reset it back to what you want. So that's right off the bat. You see, I hope you see how powerful that is right off the bat. You can do that with your call to actions. You can do that with text. Just put plain text over the screen. Whether you're going to use that for subtitles or just to convey some extra information, you can edit that right inside. You can add a button that does anything you want, right? You can grab that button there. We add that there. We can move it to anywhere we want in the video. We can get rid of this guy. We don't want him, right? We got the submit button, and then we can change the wording on that. You can change the text. You can also add a scribing form. Put that on here. You click, and then choose which form you want. Contest entry form. Grab that, put it where you want, move your button, your entry form. You control what the entry form says on it. Enter now. You can select your autoresponder account you have it connected to. And then what list in that autoresponder you want to add it to, so you can automatically begin to mail your leads that you've generated through Viddle Interact. Of course, setting your time and your colors. We also have the ability to add a simple image. Any image you want, you can add over the video at any time, at any point, and make it last as long as you like. You can set a countdown to let people know when there's a time expiring for an offer. You can actually put a video on a video. So if you want to do a picture-in-picture, you could do that as well. You can put quizzes right inside. Set up the quizzes, boom, and edit that and make it say anything you want. You can then go to social shares. You can set up your social shares and allow people to connect to you right off the bat, right from inside your video. You can add a PayPal and Stripe button directly. Like I said, set a price, grab that, set it up in there, total amount, card number, and they can make their payment right from within there. Change your price, $97. Boom, now it's $97. They can make their payment. You connect it to the gateway that you have set up. You are ready to sell right inside your video. There are no advertisements from your competitors like you see on YouTube. There's no monthly fees like you have in Wistia and Vimeo. You can also add a watermark to your video. If you're concerned about people utilizing your videos, you can simply click here and add a watermark, anything you want to add, just like that. When you get to the end of the video, if you want to give them directions to your location, click here, put a map, put in your address, put your location in there, and you have now connected that to your video so that they can navigate inside. You see this? We can navigate inside the map as well. It is interactive. It's not a static map. There's also the ability to show products that you want. This can be good for e-commerce, especially as the Christmas season approaches. And step 3, market your video. Sharing it via social media buttons. You can embed this anywhere as well. Of course, you have the standard video options, playlists, subscriptions, channels. You can add all your videos in here. When the videos are added, you can edit them and share them with anyone you like without any fear of YouTube trying to steal your customers by running ads on your videos. As a matter of fact, you can create your own customers. That's right. The commercial version of Viddle Interact includes an agency feature that allows you to create users and manage users right within Viddle Interact and give them storage space, their own username and password. It's not a shared account. It is their own account that you will have to give, to sell, and to share as you like. That is how Viddle Interact works for you.